Hi everyone, nice to meet you in my channel. It's channel about mathematics, question, Olympiad question, interesting question, and every topic about the mathematics. Today we're gonna solve the Olympiad question from Junior Balkan Math Olympiad. It's number theory part. Let's look at our question. The question is 2 power x plus x squared plus 25 is equal to p cubed, where the p is prime and x is a whole number. The question himself asks to find all x and p pairs. Okay, let's start to solve this question. Firstly, what we need. Let's look at the power. Let's like when in the question to ask it to find p, we need to check if the p is 2. Like it's common way, like we need to check p is 2 or no, because it's prime number and only even prime number is 2, and another prime numbers are all of them are odd numbers. Let's check is it p is equal to 2, like 2 power of x plus x squared plus 25 is equal to p cube, which is 8. Now if we subtract 2 power of x plus x squared is equal to how much it makes. It makes 17 minus 17, negative 17. Yeah, and it's square number, like it's always positive. And 2 power of x, it's a whole number. Like if it was if it wasn't the whole number, if it was like negative number, x not positive, then it will make like the division, but it can't be because the answer is the p cube. It means it's also whole number and also positive number and positive, like let's like plus. Yeah, and this number is also positive. Well, then it can't be 17, like positive plus positive, it can't make 17. Because of this, the answer isn't be equal to 2, like it's too smaller. Let's check to number 3 this answer, this method, like 2 power of 2x plus x squared plus 25 is equal to 27. Yeah, if we subtract 27 or 25, we'll get 2 power of x plus x squared equal to 2. Yeah, but it can't be because the minimum value of x, if we take x is 1, then it will make 2 plus 1, which is makes minimum number of 3. Like 3 is bigger than 2 because it's also can't be the answer. The answer is, then it makes like the answer, the p is bigger than 5. Okay, let's look. Then let's look to the mode of something, like mode of 4. Oh, before of this, let's look how much bigger is x. If we took p is 5, 2 power of x plus x squared plus 25 is equal to 125. Yeah, yes. Okay, if we subtract 2 power of x plus x squared is equal to 100. If we took x as a 6, it will make 64 plus 36, which makes 100, which is correct. The one of answer is 5 and 6. Let's check. Then it means like x also bigger than 6 and p need to be bigger than 5. Then let's have a look at the mode 4. 2 power of x is bigger than 6, it means it is 0, plus x squared, we don't know any data about it, then 25. If we divide 25 by 4, it will be 1, like 1 remainder there, equal to equivalent, not equal, to p cube. Okay, 2x is 0, we said already, and plus 1, it will make 1 plus x squared is equal to p cube. And we know that, what we know, like if p is always need to be a number, because we checked to this answer to 2, which was the even number, then the rest of prime numbers are even numbers. If it's even, like if we took like 2 power of x is always even, x squared we don't know, for example it's x again, and 25 it's odd, and it's also odd. If we write like even plus x is equal odd minus odd, which is equal to even, then x it need to be even minus even, which makes it's also even. It means that x squared is also divisible by 4 by 2, and we find out that x also divisible by is equal to 0 at mod 2. Okay, and let's replace x with 2a. What it makes? 4 power of a plus 4a squared plus 25, which is equal to p cube. Yes. Then let's look at the mod 3. This one will be 1 power of a, which makes 1, plus 4 it makes 1, and a squared we don't know about it because it will stay a squared, plus 25 divided by 3, it's again the remainder by 1, it's equivalent to p cube. 2 is equivalent by a cube. If p cube was divisible, a squared need to be 1, but we know that p isn't 3, it's bigger than 5. Yes, we know this data. Because of this, p cube is not divisible by 3. Then if a cube was divisible, need to be divisible, because if a cube wasn't divisible, it need to be 1 at mod 3, which makes the p divisible. But it means that a cube need to be divisible by 3 for not giving anything to p cube to become divisible by 3. Then a is divisible by 3. No, is divisible by 3 at mod 3. Then we can also replace a by 3b. What it makes? So it is 4 power of 3m, 4 power of 3, sorry, not m, like it was b, 3b, plus 36 b squared, plus 25 is equal to p cube. Okay, then the next step we will do, it will be, we will need to prove that this part is bigger or smaller than this. Let's write it like this: 36 b squared plus 25 is equal to p cube minus 4 power of cb. Okay, let's evaluate this from our formula. It will be 4p minus 4 power of m, p squared plus p e power of 4m and 16 power of m. Okay, so therefore we can done. If we remove this part, it means like 36b squared is need to be bigger than the rest part, like p squared plus 4m plus 16m. Okay, then we need to find out that if b is 1, we could find like p is 5. Okay, we know this. We need to prove that is b is bigger than 2. Then what will happen there? Okay, firstly, then let's remove this part also. I think like if we replace p, if we know that p is minimum of 5, we replace p 5q, like the make hiring the number, like we need to prove this. Yes, and this part will go, then it will be 36b square is bigger than 4 4 4 power of m plus 16m. Okay, then we can remove this part. If we prove like if it's 36p square is bigger than 16m, then we can say that there is another rule. But if it's like this, then there is no rule at the pair of 5 and 6. Because to answer this question, we will use induction. Yes, induction is a very big theory in mathematics, and we use it very much in mathematics. Induction theory. Okay, let's prove that. If we can prove that 36m square is bigger than 13, is smaller than 13m, then there's only one answer. Let's take m is equal to 2. 36 multiplied by 16 bigger than 16 square. No, that's incorrect. Found out that it can't be. Oh no, sorry, it can be. Yes, it will make like it will make 60 multiplied by 14, and it will make 16 square. Like it will make, this part will make 144. The another part will make 256. Okay, we're sure that in other problem it will be same. Let's say m is k. mk, then it means that we accept that this part is correct. Sorry, this part is correct. Yeah. Then we accept this. Then we will use same strategy if m is equal to k plus 1. 36 multiplied by k plus 1 is smaller than 16k plus 1. Okay, add the square, of course. Then what can we do? 36k plus 1 square 13k k plus multiply 16. We can replace 16k with 36k square, because we make the big size and be a bit less than another side, and we can eliminate this part like that with this, and there will remain k plus 1 square. This is smaller than 16k square. Yes, let's open this part. K square plus 2k plus 1 is smaller than 16k square. Yes, 16k square. We can do like 2k plus 1 is smaller than 15k square. It's always correct. We took k is bigger than 1, it makes already bigger than another part, and we proved that there is no another answer than 5 and 6. Okay, I think that was enough for today. Let's revise what we have done. like which if we saw in any number theory question, if we saw p, we need to check the variant of p equal to 2, and if p is a odd number. If we check that p is 2, there's a contradiction there. It may like it's even it is odd numbers. The answer will need to be odd number. Then we use modes when we in every number theory question we use. Then we use the induction theory and some formulas and so on. And we use also inequalities there. Okay, I think that's for enough for today. Thank you for watching my video until the end. See you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video.